Los Bobito para Pablo, my name is Jose Castillo, and this is a presentation about shortening our abbreviations for the subject, language, fonts, and functions. Okay, I'm going to start. The definition of shortening our abbreviation is a way of the human being being found for abbreviate a lot of words in some language. In this case, we are going to mention English. Okay, it's a set of clippings where it is obtained in 4 words from sense. Okay, and what is the license? License are words where it's created based on base words, like for example, and shortening and etc. Okay, we have some types of abbreviations, and we have, for example, initiatives, abbreviates, acronyms, and clippings. Okay, and what kind of term is clipping? Okay, a clipping is an abbreviation of words, and especially it cut the end on the beginning of the word. And like for example, as I say, short, for example, short is the beginning of the word, and I can put shortening. And we have another example, memo is the beginning of the word memorandum. Lab is very used in the English, is the shortening of laboratory, and photo or photography. Okay. Acronyms. And what is acronyms? Okay, acronyms is the beginning letters of words, a series of words for showing another word. Like for example, laser. What is laser? Light amplification by stimulating emission or radiation. Okay, laser. The beginning of laser is the L, A, S, A, and R. Okay, and wasp. And wasp in this case is the white Anglophone protestant, W-A-S-P. And don't confuse with wasp, and wasp is an animal, is an insect. Okay, we have another is radar. Radar is the radio detection and ranging. Okay, this is acronym. We have another is an initialist is almost the same, but what is the difference? The difference of the acronym, the initialists don't necessarily want to connect a word with the beginning of words. For example, APA is the American Psychological Association, SOPA is the Stop Only PTR, the UFO Unidentified Flying Objects, and FBI, the Federal Bureau of Investigation. It's not necessary to connect words with the capital letters of each one of the words. And we have another acceleration about that. Acronyms not necessarily is going to make a word. Okay? Because some people can be confused with that. Another shortening and abbreviation, we can say, for example, besides of APA, and we can say, for example, the USA is the United States of America, or the US, the United States. Okay, not necessarily we connect a word with that, only the initials of that word. Okay, thank you so much.